Good morning, SilverTraderFM subscribers and viewers. I've been out for a while. I've actually been trading downtrend and cashing it out and trading it for physical stacking throughout the downtrend, but I believe the tides are changing, so I'll review the charts in a while. But in the meantime, just want to update you on a few additions on my site. Added this blog spot. So first topic of discussion. Oh, by the way, thank you, Randy Flag, aka Chamaflauge on YouTube. Thanks for being my first subscriber. Talk about his site a little bit later on. But basically, this first topic is going to be on the 13 warning signs for the coming greater recession/depression. Ooh, scary. Reasons to hold on to your precious metals. My precious. So I won't read everything, but I basically go into why the fundamentals of real money, silver and gold, has not changed one bit since the beginning of time. And this crazy, scary, spooky correction of 30% in silver. Future trading nonsense, margin rules, increase 5 times, non-back physical hype, Federal Reserve note, trading it, long-term intrinsic value of 0, you just gotta wake up. Don't get shaken out of your long-term physical positions of silver and gold, which is real money, period. So I go into, some of the things that you already know. U.S. debt bubble explodes. Dollar loses world reserve currency status. SLV paper Ponzi scheme is exposed. China and gold and our silver accumulation. The euro debt crisis. Gold up, dollar down. Another 9/11 event or next world war begins. Low interest rate ride ends. Bonds really become junk. Another wave of foreclosures on Alt-A and option arms. Essential resource shortage. The bottoming of all cycles begin in 2011 and bottom by 2012. Dissatisfaction in America has reached its boiling point, and the 13th wild card, talking about dominant effect of natural disasters, MP strike, and Linda Green being vice president, and all the banks, those forged foreclosure or ownership documents that may cause a run on banks if people wake up and really realize what these bankazoids are, fraudulently doing to our banking system. So there you have it. I hope I can at least have one topic of discussion once a week. We shall see. Other news. The HKMex Hong Kong Mercantile Exchange has opened up for business May 18, 8 a.m. today, Hong Kong time. So their first product is going to be a 1 kilogram of gold in US dollars, followed by a silver contract and another gold contract quoted in yuan.
The Hong Kong Mercantile Exchange, HKMex, opening the doors for global trading and the world's largest commodities market, China. Rapid growth in Asia, and in particular China, has fostered an insatiable thirst for commodities. China now accounts for between 12% and over 70% of global consumption of various commodities. Yet commodities prices are set halfway across the globe in Chicago, New York and London. HKMex aims to become the international exchange for China, delivering innovative, customized products while capitalizing on Hong Kong's status as the world's only offshore renminbi center and a rising demand for renminbi-denominated investment products.
Our first product is a physically delivered gold contract offered in US dollars. Also in the pipeline are contracts covering precious and base metals, agricultural and commodity indices. We will also be launching products in renminbi.
Like Hong Kong itself, will become an important bridge linking the international investor community to China.
The Hong Kong Mercantile Exchange, China's global marketplace.
There's a website, Hong Kong Mercantile Exchange, HKMex. Go to hkmerc.com. Their first product is 32 troy ounces of gold futures. Not bad. I guess if you compare it to the COMEX here locally, the US of A, you're required to trade 100 troy ounces, while in the HKMex, one trading unit is 32 troy ounces, which is equivalent to 1 kilogram. One of those 1 kilo gold bars, currently priced at about 48,000 fiat US dollars. Check it out. So I was wondering what's going on, right? What's happening in the market, in the futures. So I got silver futures up here and gold futures down here. I have it in the 1 hour mode, showing the high back in April 25, 49.82. Tapping that twice or 3 times before the downfall and the downtrend channel here. So checking out the downtrend channel, I see it testing the resistance level about 6 times. 1, 2, almost there. 3, 4, 5, 6, and on 7 try, it blasts through it. Another thing that you see here is a shoulder, head, and shoulder, and it somewhat pierced this right shoulder here. Let's zoom in on it. So this line, downtrend channel, which was originally resistance for about 6 times, on the 7th hit, it looks like it broke through it, and it's on this uptrend now. So I think the tide may be changing, and lucky me, I've been buying all the way on every dip on the way down, including this last one right here. I bought it about 33 spot, a couple hundred ounces there, so that was a good purchase. On average, I am about in low to mid 30s, if you even everything out. Not bad, but moving forward, I would hope that silver futures would continue to rally above this 34.50. And if it does dip down a few more times, which I hope it does, because I want to stack up some more, we should see this downtrend line. Instead of resistance, it should continue to be a support level. It should bounce above it, right? So that should be a bullish sign moving forward. So on the gold front, we saw a high of 1577, low of 1462. And instead of a downward channel like above, which was more like a descending triangle, this one we're seeing more of a symmetrical triangle where gold is trying to figure out which way it should go, right? It seems to be stuck in this consolidation of 1480, 1490, 1500s, kind of just bouncing around all over the place here. And a lot of people thought that other YouTubers thought that the HKMex was going to have a significant impact, but it seems like it's just, maybe volume-wise not strong enough to move the local markets. I'm still trying to find out what the relationship is between these gold futures and what's happening in HKMex, if they're related at all or if they're somewhat independent of each other. Soon to be found. If you guys know, let me know. But price wise, it looks like it's trading at about the same range, 14.93 here and about 14.94 up here. So not shaking the market too much, but I'm wondering if the bullishness of silver has anything to do with the HKMex opening up. Once again, I said that silver has blasted off, ever so humble. Hard to tell, but if you draw that line, it looks like it broke that significant line of resistance. So where silver goes. Question is, will gold follow a week or two later? Usually silver has been the leading indicator in the uptrend as well as a downtrend, so we shall see. So on another front, just wanted to say hello once again to Randy Flagg of Chamaflauge. He is hanging out in Shanghai, China. He is our gateway to the market of China, Shanghai, to see what the Chinese are doing with their silver stacking and gold accumulation. We'll be keeping in touch with Randy. Thanks for making me your new friend on YouTube, and I look forward to further communications and reports from you from Shanghai, China. Keep stacking, keep your head up. I know times can be tough at times over there in China, but you know, just hang in there and we'll get through this together. So keep stacking, everybody. This is SilverTraderFM. I'm out for now. Take care.